Today I'm going to show you how to make a red lentil soup that's as hearty and satisfying as it is fast and easy to make. It's a great plant-based option, providing a nice ratio of protein along with complex carbohydrates. It can be served as a first course or makes a great meal on its own. This easy one-pot meal is chock full of wholesome veggies and is a great money saver since all the ingredients are economical. I'm using red lentils, vegetable broth, an assortment of chopped vegetables, some ground cumin, cilantro, a little fresh arugula, olive oil, lemon juice, sea salt and pepper, and some fresh garlic. I'll need roughly 1 cup of chopped arugula, so I'm coarsely chopping this. The arugula adds a peppery, fresh flavor to the soup. I'm heating a soup pot over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 cups of chopped vegetables. This was 1 carrot, 1/2 cup of chopped winter squash, 1/2 cup of diced celery, 1/2 cup of green cabbage, and 1/2 cup of chopped zucchini. Feel free to change the vegetables based on your taste preferences. And I'm going to cook and stir this for a few minutes. I'm adding 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Feel free to add more to taste. Cook and stir for another few minutes. Now add 1 cup of rinsed red lentils. Add 5 cups of vegetable broth, or you can feel free to use bone broth. Increase the heat to high to bring to a boil. Cover the pot loosely and cook on medium-low for 30 minutes, setting a timer to keep track. After 30 minutes, your lentils should look nice and soft. Go ahead and add the arugula. And we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. Give it a little stir. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cook for another few minutes to really let the flavor come together. Oh boy, our soup is ready. This is exciting. Serve the soup nice and hot. And we're going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh cilantro. And there we go. Time to taste. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious red lentil soup. Let me know in the comments what your favorite soup is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ba, 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 ba.